Hello, friends. How are you guys? Hope everyone is safe and staying, at home. And we're running in the uncertainty period. I understand completely in running in the middle of the pandemic. Rose and myself, we just came out, just because we're sitting at home all day long. Pretty much, we are following the COVID rules in UK, and also in UK, they have segregated different places, different parts of places into tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3, and currently Manchester is in tier 3, pretty much like completely locked down, but only you can go to certain places, like you can't really go out of wherever you live. So we thought, let's go and take a little bit walk, at least to get some fresh air. This particular place looks like a dense forest, but at the same time we do have a lake view, and we are just shooting it for you guys so that you guys can take a quick snap. And it's amazing. This place is really amazing. What do you say, Rose?
Absolutely. I mean, it's so peaceful as well, and such splendid views if you just take a look around. And we're still going to explore a lot more in here. So stay tuned with us, and
please subscribe
enjoy.
to us. Yeah. We will just show you, and we are in the October month, right? Like, it's pretty much going into November, so the autumn really started. And pretty much you can notice like different colors of leaves, especially in green, yellow, orange, and some of the leaves are in reddish color. And most of the leaves, because it is autumn, we are entering into the autumn phase now. So pretty much you can actually noticing, most of the leaves are just coming down, and you can only observe, like only the tree part, like you will only see the branches and stems and stuff without the leaves. So it's really amazing. This is the best part of autumn, and it gives kind of a positivity as well, because it's losing its own leaves and stuff, but at the same time, when the spring starts up, everything will come back to normal. So I think we can actually take some kind of inspiration from this. Look at the view. Guys, so we found this like little pocket in this forest area, and we thought it will be really good for you guys to just check this out. We've seen like different birds like ducks, swans, and pheasants, and some other birds. I don't even know like what kind of birds they are, but it is really pleasant to see and watch these birds just live very peacefully, quietly with each other. Let us know how you guys felt about it after watching this. Check this out. Guys, we thought of getting some bread and some grains for to feed the birds, but we aren't very 100% sure, because in some parks they normally put the labels like you can feed the bread, but in some parks they normally say, oh, don't feed the birds with bread, because it can they might not digest the bread, so that can be a problem. So some people, what they normally do is they get some bread, or some people they get some grains and they just feed the birds. And let us know how you must have dealt with the similar situations. Like, what do you do? Like, what do you actually feed the birds? I would love to see the recommendations in the comment section. And also another tip is, because we're all going through this stress state, right? Like pandemic and stuff. Even though if it is not a pandemic thing, what we normally do, we go under a lot of stress and pressure in office, at office and business and stuff. So the most important thing is, while you go home, or while you're going to meet your partner and stuff, your kids, or anyone that you actually love, because we all take our relations for so granted. Whatever happens in the office, whatever happens in the business side, we all always try to take out those anger moments on our loved ones, and it is not actually good. And I've read somewhere that in a motivational book, actually someone actually said that the best thing to do for you is, even before you stepping into your house, on the way back from your office or your business, spend at least 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, in the park. Just take out all your pressure there, and look at this view, right? Look at this beautiful view. How can you not relieve your stress? As soon as you get into places like this, it doesn't have to be a place like this, at least a park. What you can do, you can just take all the stress out and go and meet your family, because we are all good human beings. But the problem is, when we go under tremendous stress, we tend to behave in an abnormal way or a different way. And sometimes our partners or our kids or our friends or parents or any people who are really close to us, they might not they might not get that kind of moments from us. So it is always advisable for us, for everyone, for each of us, to spend at least 5 minutes really close to the nature. And also, if you have any other suggestions, please let us know, because I would love to, and Rose would love to take any suggestions on board, because end of the day we all want to live a positivity, life with positivity, and also we have to take this positivity to our next generations. Of course, why not? Imagine if I am like always an anger state, and that will definitely have an impact on my next generation. And then what happens? It's like, it's like a cycle. You can never come out, but only you have the power. So relax, chill out, everything will be okay. We will definitely pass through this stage, and just let us know how you felt after watching this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to us, please subscribe, and also please share this video with your loved ones and dear ones. We would love to see your comments, and also please let us know what kind of videos are you expecting from us, and we can definitely shoot that as well.
I am sat here thinking of you once again. The songs in my head now, they all make sense. Counting down the days to call you mine, mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find.
So all you lovely people, I truly hope you enjoyed this nature walk with us as much as we loved making it for you. So let us know what you think about this video in the comments section. And also, please don't forget to like our video. So stay tuned and we'll see you all soon.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.